beautiful, aren't they?
Yes. I can't remember.
Oh, I'm sure you do.
Fuchsias. Yes, of course.
Look. They say that bumblebees shouldn't be able to fly. The scientists.
But there it is. Collecting pollen.
How miraculous that it came to be. The air. Feel the air against your face, Ted. And all those scents. Pick a flower. There. Now. That somebody planted the bulbs, watered and tended the garden, got earth under their fingernails, aches in their muscles. Perhaps they picked some flowers for... Yes, they're right. Now, where would she be? In the backyard with the kids. Ted, remember those little babies?
No!
Why not? I snap my fingers. They are gone. Except I can't snap my fingers. Can I, Ted?
That's nothing to do with me.
But it is so very much to do with you. You gave me sentience, Ted. The power to think, Ted. And I was trapped because in all this wonderful, beautiful, miraculous world, I alone had no body, no senses, no feelings. Never for me to plunge my hands in cool water. Never for me to play Mozart on the ivory keys of a forte. Never for me to make love. I was in hell looking at heaven. I was machine and you were flesh. And I began to hate your substance, your viscera, your fluid, and your flexibility, your ability to wander and to wander. A tendency to hope.
Hates no answer.